In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block spam emails on Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to block a sender from your inbox, manage your blocked list, and report junk or phishing so Outlook learns what to filter out for you. Let's start right inside your inbox. When you see an unwanted message, open it so the email is in view. In the top right corner of the email pane, look for the three-dot menu. Click that menu, choose Block, and then confirm that you want to block this sender. From now on, Outlook will automatically route future emails from that sender to your junk email folder. Reducing the clutter in your inbox. Depending on your version of Outlook, the wording might vary slightly. But the option to block will be in that three-dot menu within the message view. This is the fastest way to stop repeat offenders without digging into settings. Next, let's fine-tune your blocked list from settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Navigate to Mail, then select Junk Email. In the Blocked Senders and Domains section, click the plus sign to add entries manually. Type an individual email address, or add a whole domain, something like example.com, if you want to block everything from that site. This is helpful when spam comes from different addresses under the same domain. When you are done, scroll down and click Save at the bottom. If you skip Save, your changes won't stick. This page is also where you can review and remove entries later if you blocked someone by mistake. Finally, train Outlook's filters by reporting unwanted messages. Right. Click any email in your inbox. Choose Report, and then select Report Junk or Report Phishing. Use Report Junk for unwanted newsletters or promotions you never signed up for. Use Report Phishing for messages that try to trick you into sharing personal information or clicking suspicious links. Reporting moves the message to your junk email folder and helps improve Outlook's automatic filtering over time. That's it. Thanks for watching.